but that gives us a little bit of focus as far as what we can afford, at least we can afford in our monthly payment. We, as potential home buyers, are out there looking at homes, and ultimately, when we get to that point when you're ready to make that offer, for those of you that have gone through the home buying process in the past, we realize that there's certain contingencies that are presented to us, at least opportunistically provided to us as safeguards as we buy a home. And one of the key things, obviously, is we want to get to a place where we know what we can afford. It's typically predicated on with your with your monthly income, and then also incorporating what are some of your fixed debts, regardless of whether or not you're buying a house, and emphasizing those. And there's a certain percentage that's allocated to your monthly income, and also incorporating your debt of what you're allowed to have a mortgage of that dollar amount. And once you get to that number, that helps you to kind of focus in on at least what type of, how large of a mortgage you can get. And there's no rules that say you got to max out that top number on your qualifying mortgage amount, but at least you know what your top number is. If you can stay much below it, obviously your mortgage payment is going to be that much less. But that gives us a little bit of focus as far as what we can afford, at least we can afford in our monthly payment.